हेलो फ्रेंड्स, योर एकेडमिक सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में आपका स्वागत है।
Welcome friends, now we will be learning about trim entities. For that, first of all, I am making a few lines. Now you can see we do want to have this line cornering it here, and we want to remove this extra material, this extra portion of the line. We want to remove it. So I am taking trim entities. In this, number one is power trim. In the power trim, I am just left clicking my mouse and dragging through this unnecessary portion, and you can see that has been trimmed out. So this is our power trim command. Now next is our corner trim command. With this corner trim command, I can make corners of two lines that are not parallel. Clicking this one and then clicking this one, you can see they have been cornered. So this was our corner command. One more thing I want to show you about this command. For example, this is a line. This is a second line. Now you can see there can be two corners. There can be two ways to generate the corners with these two lines. Number one is to I'm showing you this way and then this way. First the corner can be made in this way, and in second way the corner can be made in this way, in this orientation. So how I will be deciding how I will be acting upon the corner command to make sure that I make the corner in the desired direction. Let me show you. This is the corner command. I have clicked on this line. Now if I click on this side, it means the corner will be made up in this direction. You can see that. Now once again I have clicked on this line. Now if I click on this side of the line, I have decided to make the corner in this direction, in the opposite direction. So this way the corner command do work. Now suppose I have these two lines. In between these two lines there is this line completely inside these two lines, or the boundary of these two lines. There is a line that is crossing through the both of the lines, both of the boundary lines. And I do want to delete what is inside these two lines. I want to delete that, and furthermore I don't want to delete a line that is going through one but remaining inside the area of these two lines, or in other words, it is coming through one line but doesn't pass through the second line. It remains inside. So now for this command, first of all I have to define the boundaries. This one is my boundary, this one is my second boundary. Now if I click on this line, you can see both the lines, those who are inside. Let me show you once again. This line and this line, I want to delete these two lines, but I don't want to delete this line. This is a peculiar case, so I am using trim entity command, trim away inside command. So these two will be deleted, but the third one will not be deleted. You can see that. For that, first of all, I have to define the boundaries. Now I will be selecting over all these three lines, but you can see the inside two lines have been deleted, and the outer portion of the line is there, and the third line hasn't been trimmed out at all. So this is trim away inside command. Same way. Now I want to trim out what is outside of these two lines, this line and then this line. So I will be using trim away outside command. Now first of all, I will be defining the boundaries, this one and then this one. Inside this line I don't want to delete anything, but outside these two lines I want to delete everything that is there. But again, the special case is that the line that is entering through one line but remains inside and doesn't exit through the second line, that I want to skip out. So now I have defined the boundaries. Now I will be selecting over the lines. Now you can see the line which was purely out of this boundary, that has been deleted, and the line that was crossing through both of the lines, that has been deleted. And the third thing you can see is the line was starting from this side, that extra portion going outside of this line was also deleted, and at the same time the extra portion that was going outside of the other line, that has also been deleted. So this is the use of trim away outside command. Both are almost similar. Trim away inside command and trim away outside command, both are almost similar. Now suppose this is a line and this is a second line. Now I do want to extend this line so that it goes in the alignment of this line, the upper one line. Suppose this is I want to show you, this is the alignment of this line, and I want to make sure that this line extends further and stops where the linear extension of the upper line goes on. So it should stop there. I will be showing you how. So I will be using trim to closest command. Clicking here. Oops. I have clicked on first on the, let me show you once again. I want to extend this line. I have chosen for trim to closest command. Now I have left clicked my mouse on this line, and I am keeping pressed my left click of the mouse and going to the second line. As soon as I go to the second line, I have left the button of my mouse. So now you can see the line has extended to the linearness of this line. This is trim to closest. The difference between this line and the corner command is, this command and the corner command is that in the corner command the both ends do meet, but in this in this command both the ends do not meet. Only the command only goes to the linear extension of this line. This is the trim to closest command.